Hello, friends. Your website generally shows all the information about your business and services. So, website is the main window where your potential buyers and customers interact with your business. And you are showing all the information, almost all. But at times, visitors of your website may wish to contact you or your backend team directly over a call, over mail, or on a WhatsApp chat, or so on. So you might be knowing more than 50% traffic on a website nowadays comes from a handheld device or from mobile phones simply. And when your website is being accessed on a mobile phone, even it is a fully responsive website, it may be some difficulty or the visitors of your website may feel that they wish to contact you directly or your team directly, but they are looking for the contact information. So I have an idea to place a strip at the footer of mobile screen to give all the contact information, quick contact links, we can say, that can be accessed easily, that can be visible on the pages, all the pages of your website. Let me show you the mobile version of this website. So this is a full feature website. However, it is just a demo website that we created during the last video demonstration using EcoByte WordPress theme. It is dedicated theme for IT services and app. If you are willing to create a simple and effective website, it can be a very good choice for you. Now I'm showing you the mobile version of this website. So this is the mobile view and we can select different devices. I am using a responsive testing tool here. You see at the bottom at the footer area of this mobile version of website, we have some call to action buttons that gives us option to call directly or mail or WhatsApp. So how we can implement this simple bottom strip to quick call or quick contact option at your WordPress website. This is the main thing that I am going to show you very quickly in this video, and it is going to be happen using a free forever. Yes, free forever plugin that you can download directly from WordPress repository, and the plugin name is Mobile Contact Line. So the name is itself explanatory and you can simply understand its purpose. This plugin will allow you to create and add mobile contact line that display different fast contact options. Okay. So what you can do, you can uh, put the phone button, email button, contact page URL, WhatsApp button, chat button, or a Skype button. And I simply installed this plugin and I'll show you the backend quickly. So the plugin is already installed. This is the setting screen, mobile contact line under setting. So we can place our mobile number here to call, to connect on a call directly with a single click over mobile phone. It is not being displayed on the desktop version. So this is very important. It is for mobile phone, as I said, mostly traffic coming from the mobile devices. And if there is some difficulty in finding your contact details on your website, you may lose the potential buyer or customer or the people who are seeking your business services, right? So coming back, and this is the screen. This is more than simple screen. You just need to put your contact number, or you can customize the text that you want to show. You can change the background color and the button width. You can decide and display order, like when you want to show the call first, so you keep it one, or email second, so you can keep it two. And similarly you can reorder the call to action buttons that can be displayed at the footer of mobile or handheld device, right? It is going to be super simple and it is going to work in a super effective manner to give access to your potential visitors to call you directly, contact you directly, or call or contact your business directly. So I feel this is a very, very good option for your WordPress website where you can give the direct contact option at the footer of the website without disturbing the main content. It works fine. So just take the advantage of this free plugin. It is going to be always free. So the developer of plugin says the plugin is 100% free, and we intend to keep it at that way in the future as well. You are free to use this plugin and all our other free WordPress plugins. So there are many plugins from this development house. It has been developed by YY Development. So it has already got 1000 plus installation, and it is being regularly updated, so you can be sure about the quality of plugin, and it has already got 5-star ratings from almost all the users. So free, effective, and very useful plugin to implement the mobile contact line at your WordPress website. Go for this. And if you have any specific requirement, just don't hesitate in contacting us through a direct chat option with a mentor at our iCreate program. And I'm sure you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, please subscribe the channel, press the bell button, and let us meet in the next video. Thank you.